Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 things that I wish I knew when I started earning. I started working at the age of 24, but back then, I didn't know about the things that I'm going to talk about in this video today. I made quite a few mistakes financially, but I want to share my learnings with you so that you guys don't commit the same mistakes. Trust me, if you've just started earning, getting these 5 things done financially would build a strong financial base. So let's get started. The first one on the list is term insurance. Term insurance is the most simplest form of insurance that you should get. What's a term insurance? In simple words, you pay a certain amount called insurance premium every year to the insurance company for X number of years, and the insurance company insures you for those X number of years for an X amount. Now that X amount could be 1 crore, 2 crores or 3 crores or even less than a crore. If say you die during the years you're insured, the insurance company pays that X amount to your nominee. Term plan is the most simplest and effective way of ensuring that your family is safeguarded financially when you're not around to take care of them. I got a term insurance for myself after crossing 30 and it costed me a bomb. I so wish I knew about term insurance when I started working. The younger you are, the lesser the amount of insurance premium you'll pay to the insurance company every year. Next one on the list is health insurance. Now I'm sure your company might be providing you a health insurance which covers you, your spouse, and your parents. However, please do not depend on it. I did the same mistake, realized it quite late in my career, and bought a health insurance after I crossed 30. And no wonder I'm paying a huge premium now because I didn't get it done when I was young. Similar to a term plan, if you get a health insurance when you're young, you pay less. The third one on the list is emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is extremely important. Now, what's an emergency fund? It's the amount equivalent to your expenses of 6 months, 9 months, or 1 year that you can use in emergencies such as hospitalization, job loss, etc. Say for example, you need 10,000 every month as expenses. So an emergency fund for 6 months is 60,000. Similarly, for 1 year, it's going to be 1,20,000 rupees. Now, it may be extremely difficult to put together 6 months of expenses as soon as you start working. But here's the trick. Start a recurring deposit to save small amounts every month towards emergency fund. Now, the most important thing with emergency fund is, where do you park it? The safest place would be a fixed deposit in a nationalized bank. Remember, you're not investing your emergency fund to generate returns. It should be available to you when you want it. No matter what, do not touch your emergency fund unless it is for an emergency situation. The fourth item on the list is PPF. This is an extremely important investment which I wish someone told me about early in my career. PPF stands for Public Provident Fund, and it is different from the PF that your employer deducts from your salary. PPF is considered a debt instrument and is guaranteed by the Government of India. It is a saving cum tax instrument which can be used to build a corpus as well as save taxes under Section 80C. PPF has a minimum tenure of 15 years with a minimum investment of 500 rupees and a maximum investment of 1,50,000 per year. PPF falls under the exempt category, which basically means that deposits in PPF can be used to save taxes, and the accumulated amount and the interest at the end of 15 years is also exempt from tax at the time of withdrawal. The fifth and the most important one on the list is investing in mutual funds. Not taking mutual funds seriously early on in my career has to be one of the most regrettable things in my life. Though I started investing every month in mutual funds when I was 25, I didn't take it seriously. It was my only investment in mutual funds until I turned 29. I even stopped investing for a few months halfway through and then started investing again. Now, though my salary increased exponentially, I didn't care to invest more. One major reason for not taking mutual funds seriously was I would just look at the investments that I made and always used to crib about why it was not giving me the returns that I expected. It was like I planted a seed and I got upset an hour later because it didn't turn into a tall tree. I failed to understand that investing in mutual funds is a long-term story and that I shouldn't track it on a weekly or a monthly basis. Mutual funds has to be one of the most effective tools in accumulating wealth over a long period of time. A monthly investment of even 1,000 rupees over a long period of time would generate a decent corpus. And since you're still in your 20s, you have got the benefit of time on your side. Give your money enough time to grow in mutual funds and you'll see wonders. Okay, that was 5 things I wish I knew when I started earning. I hope this information is helpful. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, take care and stay safe.